Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'll walk around and show you this 2009 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.4 power stroke diesel. It's got 275,000 miles on it. The engine was replaced 180,000 miles ago. It's a truck come out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to BNSF Railroad. It's got a 3,500 pound crane, Quincy air compressor. I think it's got some toolboxes in it. It's got new tires on it. I'll show it to you here. It's a deck to put a welder on. Got a little bubble in here. It's very common on these trucks. Another thing, this truck will not have this controller. It's going to have a wireless controller. I had to borrow this one off another truck till the one we ordered come in. It's supposed to be here, I think, Wednesday of this coming week, which is Saturday today. But so this truck, it's not going to have this wired controller. It will be a wireless CarTech controller. Same thing on this side, some bubbling stuff on both sides. Old Fox body Mustang. Turd. Kick the PTO. Outriggers down. push down, extension out, extension in, left, right, down, compressor works. Let's pull the outriggers back up. Lights we got here, apartment light. Close that up. Over here. Crane lights. $275, $643 on the miles. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You'll be looking around $1.50 a mile, $1.75, depends on where you're located. Normally takes 3 to 7 days to get the truck. You know, we're a dispatcher, so what we do is we post it on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and pick it up. If you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up, you got to come get it yourself in person. You're welcome to do that. We're here 7 to 4 Monday through Friday. And if you come, you got to bring cash, cashier's check, or do a wire transfer. Has to be certified funds. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. Has to be a certified bank check or wire transfer or cash. So, pretty nice truck. Runs out and drives good. New tires. Air's cold. 30 to 3,500 pound crane. Quincy hydraulic air compressor. Hydraulic outriggers. I think it has two maintainer toolboxes. Nice little truck. Bed's worth what we're going to be selling it for. You know, people, I have a lot of people tell me, they're like, we'll run that truck till something happens to it and take the bed off and put it on something else. And, you know, that's a smart thing to do. This truck runs out and drives good. You know, you shouldn't have any issues with it. But if you do down the road, that's, you know, go find you a nice low mileage chassis and throw this bed on it or run this truck off a bridge. So anyways, thanks for watching. Give me a call if you're interested. HeavyMetalAuto.com, 256-310-6852. Our website, you can go in there and check out pictures of it. You can call or text that number. And I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching.